Hey everyone, Dave cooked D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and you can see Daniel and Mark in the background over there. So I'm just doing a quick video on what you need to look for some digital murals. So Daniel was installing some murals yesterday, and once we get to the point where we're installing, we have we call them a blueprint, cartoon, or printout of what the mural is going to look like. So this mural, 3 panels, it goes on the wall. That's what it's supposed to look like. There's the dividing lines. And from this, everything looks good. Don't see any issues with it. And we didn't notice it at all, honestly, because by the time we have the wallpaper and the time this has been shipped to us, we know that everyone's been looked at it, everything's approved. We don't have to worry about if there's any issues with layouts or anything like that. We measure the walls to make sure that the width is the same, and there's the measurements there, so it gives us our number of tiles or panels, how high it is, how wide it is. So we just measure the wall, make sure that the widths are the same, the wall widths are the same, but otherwise we're installing. But one issue that came up yesterday on this one is if we get closer to the printout, I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. You can see those little hash marks right there. It shows up in this, and again, if it's on the print, we're not really paying attention to it because it was there for a reason. So with those little prints on there, why is it not focusing again? There you go. It was printed on the wallpaper itself, and I mean, for those, I'm not gonna worry about it because 9 times out of 10, if that's something that's on a wall, usually they're putting some kind of plaque or a TV, or there's something going there when they have those marks. Those are markers so the installers know where to put different plaques or TV jacks, or there's all kinds of different things you can see with them. So didn't pay attention to it, but the customer saw it and asked why there's 2 hash marks in the middle of this. Like, well, we don't know, that's how it was designed. That's what we got here, that's what it is. And apparently that was a mistake. So you want to make sure when you are getting murals printed that you really take the proofs that you're getting, whether it's printed like we have or an email, and really kind of get a magnifying glass if you need to and look for all the areas to make sure there's nothing hidden in there of, you know, a hash mark that's supposed to be there, or some kind of arrow or a marker. Make sure that the mural that you're getting installed is exactly what this piece of paper looks like. If you have questions about digital murals, digital graphics, wallpaper installations, love to hear how we can help you. Give us a call to D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.